Good morning students. This is class 8th for math subject. Students, before starting my AV assignment, let me take the pledge for COVID-19 against COVID-19. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So let us start exercise 7.2. Students, in the previous video I explained question number 1, 2, 3. Today I will start from question number 4 of exercise 7.2. Identify overlapping and disjoint sets from the following pairs of set. Also write the common elements in case of overlapping sets. Then we need to clear the concept about overlapping sets and disjoint sets. Overlapping means those two sets if they have some common elements. If two sets have some common elements, that sets are known as overlapping sets. And in the disjoint sets, there will be no common elements. Okay, let us take example. Question number 1. In the first set, there are numbers from 1, 2, 3 up to 12. So in the next set, 9, 10, 11 up to 18. Means in first set, there are number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And in the second set, numbers are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I expand here. These dots are used. I wrote here full all the numbers. So students, in these two sets there are some common elements. Here 9, 10, 11, 12. Here also 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the common elements. So these sets are overlapping sets. These are overlapping sets, and common elements are 9, 10, 11 and 12. I think concept is clear to you. Then second is prime numbers and even numbers. Even numbers started from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on. And the prime number also started from 2, 3, then 5, 7, 11, so on. So in these two sets, element 2 is common. Element 2 is common in both sets. So these are also overlapping sets, and the common element is 2. So answer is overlapping set and common element is 2. So here which in the third, multiples of 6 less than 40 means we will write table of 6, 6, 12, 18, then 24, then 36 up to 40 we have to write. Then the next, multiples of 7 less than 40. So we will write 7, 7 to the 14, 21, then 28, 35, up to 40 we have to write. So if we will observe, there is no common element here, no common element. 6 is not available in this set, 12 is not available, 18, 24, nothing is repeated in the second set. So these two sets are disjoint sets. These are disjoint set. Similarly, other parts you can do by yourself. Then the question number 5, write a universal set for each of the following. Universal set we will have to write whole thing, whole set, पूरा set लिखना है. Suppose here is 5, 6, 7 and another set is 7, 8, 9. So these are the simple numbers, simple counting number. Either you can write universal set u is equal to 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on you can write. Either you can combine these two set also, means 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, as you wish you can do by yourself. Then next is 2, 4, 6 and odd numbers below 7. तो odd number है बच्चे इसमें 1, 3, 5, 7, यहाँ पे है 2, 4, 6. तो इन दोनों सेट को आप कंबाइन कर सकते हो. इधर यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1, 1 तो है ही है. देन वी विल राइट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 अप टू 6 बिकॉज हेयर इट इज रिटन बिलो 7, तो 7 के नीचे ही होना चाहिए. These in the third part, red, green, yellow, blue, green. These are the colors name. Either you can write all the colors name in one set, or you can write these colors in one set. That will become the universal set. So universal set, red, green, yellow and blue. This is the answer. Okay. Then fourth part is first 5 month of year. First 5 month means January, February, March, April and May. And the months with only 30 days. These are considered with the name of months. So you can write all the 12 months, or either you can combine these two sets. Means first 5 लिख लो, then month with only 30 days. 30 days वाले कौन कौन से हो गए बच्चे? नवंबर भी है उसमें, ठीक है. देन इट विल बी सितंबर, ठीक है. तो these all you can combine. This question is also you can these are the planets name. प्लैनेट्स नेम को एक ही सेट में लिख दो, ठीक है. एंड सिक्स्थ आंसर इज ए बी सी डी ई, एक ही सेट में लिख देना. हेयर आल्सो नंबर्स. देन सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज राइट 2 सबसेट अदर देन नल सेट एंड द सेट इटसेल्फ फॉर ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट पार्ट है बच्चे ए बी सी डी. ए बी सी डी सब सेट मीन्स सेट का पार्ट. इसके आपने पार्ट बनाने हैं, ठीक है. हेयर इट इज रिटन ओनली 2 सबसेट. 2 कोई भी पार्ट बना दो. फर्स्ट आई एम मेकिंग ए बी एंड अनदर वन इज सी डी, ठीक है. फिर इनको कंबाइन करके ये यूनिवर्सल सेट हो गया ना. दिस इज द अपोजिट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. तो बच्चे इसके अलग अलग सबसेट बना दो, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 0, 1. 0, 1 तो 0 का अलग बना दो एंड 1 इज सेपरेट, ठीक है. अदरवाइज वन फॉर्मूला इज आल्सो देयर टू काउंट द नंबर ऑफ सबसेट. इट विल बी 2 raised to power n. n is the number of element present in the set. Suppose here are 2 elements 1 and 2. तो इसके सेट बनेंगे 2 raised to power 2. मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू 4. तो 4 सबसेट बनेंगे बट वी हैव टू राइट ओनली 2 बिकॉज 1 सेट विल बी द एम्प्टी सेट, खाली होगा ये, ठीक है. और वी कैन राइट लाइक दिस आल्सो, एक यही भी होगा, ठीक है. दिस सेट इज आल्सो द सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ, बट वो हमने लिखने नहीं, वी विल राइट द अनदर वन. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.